in the mouth. This is the first time I see a bike on an airboat. That's right. We're going to find it anyways. 49 from the Everglades.
Just like peppermint.
Yeah. Here's the root of the sawgrass. This is the part that you actually eat. Right here. The soft part right there.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yep, see? But it usually dries your mouth out. So I've tried it before, but some of the other guys, you'll put a little salt on it. I don't like the way it tastes. And this is why we call it sawgrass. You see the way it is? You can run your hand like this, but if you run your hand the other way, you'll feel all the teeth. But if you do get cut, how do you stop the bleeding, my friend? Look at that.
What?